Some recipes may include ingredients that don't match your selected food restrictions. Rather than excluding those recipes, the app can often substitute suitable ingredients so you can enjoy a wider variety of recipes while staying within your preferences. If a recipe has been updated with substitutions, you'll receive a notification letting you know that one or more ingredients were replaced to match your food restrictions. Let's take a look at how it works. Start by opening your profile and selecting your food restrictions under Menu Preferences. For this example, we'll choose dairy and gluten. These selections filter out foods, ingredients, and recipes that contain dairy, gluten, wheat, or related ingredients. Click Save. Then, OK, to immediately update your weekly meal plan. When you open a recipe card, you'll see any substitutions the app has made. The original ingredient will appear with a red line through it, and the replacement ingredient will be listed below with a red asterisk, indicating the recipe has been adjusted to match your food preferences. Now let's add a recipe that originally contains restricted ingredients. We'll choose basil pesto pasta salad. Before adding it, click Show Recipe to preview the recipe and review any planned substitutions. When you're ready, close the recipe card and select Add Item. A meal warning will appear with details about the substitutions. Select Keep Changes to accept the updated recipe, or choose Keep Original if you prefer the original recipe. Let's keep the changes. If adding the recipe puts you over your daily calorie target, you'll also have the option to rebalance your menu by adjusting the serving sizes of your other meals. Click Rebalance, then Confirm to save your changes. The recipe will now appear in My Menu. To review the substitutions, click the recipe's pencil icon to open the updated recipe card. You can also customize the recipe further by changing individual ingredients. For example, click the pencil icon next to the substituted Parmesan cheese to explore other options. Enter your preferred food in the search box. Compare the nutrition if you'd like. Then, click Replace to update the recipe with your selection.